Hello everyone. Let us have a look at the solution of question number 1 from Clash of Brains season 2. Here C and S have a type of relation between them. Here S and 2 have a type of relation between them. So we come to a conclusion that C, S and 2 will all lie in a same column. So here in place of question mark we can place C. Similarly here B and 3 have a type of relation between them. B and P have a type of relation between them. Combining these two, we come to a conclusion that B, P and 3 will lie in the same column. So here in place of question mark, we'll place P. Similarly, here D and R have a relation between them. D and 1 have a relation between them. Combining these two, we get a relation that D, R and 1 all will lie in the same column. So here in place of question mark, we will place 1. Now we have 4A and Q remaining. And you might have observed that 4A and Q are not related to any of the columns or other values. So we can conclude that A, Q and 4 will lie in the same column. So here in place of question mark we can place A and here we can place Q. If you still have any query left, feel free to contact us via Aptitude on Instagram.